If some rooms in your home feel too hot, too cold, or uncomfortable, the problem may be hidden behind the walls. Damaged or leaking ductwork can reduce efficiency, waste energy, and affect your indoor comfort. Homeowners in Allentown, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional ductwork repair services. Our experienced technicians identify leaks, loose connections, and damaged sections that disrupt airflow. We repair and seal your duct system to restore proper airflow and improve HVAC efficiency. The result is better temperature balance, improved system performance, and increased comfort throughout your home. With properly repaired ductwork, your heating and cooling system works the way it should. As a trusted local company, PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning delivers honest service and reliable solutions. Don't let hidden duct problems steal your comfort. PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning, restoring comfort to Allentown homes. How does damaged ductwork affect HVAC efficiency? Leaking or damaged ducts allow conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing energy consumption. What causes ductwork damage in residential and commercial buildings? Common causes include aging materials, poor installation, pests, moisture buildup, corrosion, and physical impact during renovations. Can ductwork repair help lower energy bills? Yes. Properly sealed and repaired ductwork improves system efficiency, reducing wasted energy and lowering utility costs. Where is PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton ST number 203 Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-allentown/.